This direction would be good. Hello, welcome. We're here at Someday Farm with me, Stephen Watson. We're doing today's Tàijíquán Tip. And today's Tàijíquán Tip is to imagine a place in the real world that you know. This can be done in a place that you have imagined but never been. I prefer to do it with a real place that I know and that I know well and that I really favor. And when you're practicing your form and you end up facing that real place, however distant it may be, call it to mind, bring it into some kind of presence of your practice so that I'm relating what I'm doing to a real place that's not the place that I'm in. And I've done this where I have something east, west, north, and south. So whenever I face one of those directions, I am then heading there. And I've done it other times where, like I was just doing a minute ago, my favorite place on earth happens to be southwest of me. And so whenever I'm facing southwest, that's when I'm really bringing my mind to that place, the qualities of that place, and I'm inviting them into myself. I'm calling them up, whether as a memory or an actual felt feeling. And this allows me to practice returning to the actual place I'm in, because when I go away from that southwest direction, I want to return to my good Tàijíquán. And then it allows me to kind of remember that wonderful, important, special, healing, amazing place that is that place for me. And it saves me a lot on airline tickets to kind of return to that place as regularly as I might in my own practice. So, and please remember that your place in Tàijíquán is as the one who continues the legacy. So no real pressure, just do it far better than your teacher ever did it. Love.
Thanks for showing your support for today's Tàijíquán tip. Tips really go a long way. And if you can't afford to help financially, comment, subscribe, share, and like, and all that stuff. To be in touch with me, go to my Linktree, Someday Farm. Thank you.